Here also in moksha, the crane bird is released as a symbol of attaining moksha. Crane, though has two legs, stands only with one leg, meaning one focus. The crane is white in color, represents the ultimate purity. Shiva is white, Gauri, whereas Shakti and Vishnu, Meenakshi and Vishnu are dark black, meaning that is hidden. The reality is in darkness, and that's why these two colors are there. And merging with Shiva, the consciousness is represented by white, and so a white crane is released in this moksha event of Alagar. Alagar is also called a skull Alagar, and it has two meanings. One is skull is intoxicated, and another is skull is also means skull and the thief. So what happens is this whole universe has to be manifested like a magic show, and we don't know the reality. We are just fooled with the five senses like in a magic mandrigam, and from there the words mantra also comes, magic. So we are intoxicated in the fun of the magic show, and the magician actually intoxicates us. If you look at the magic show, he makes it very jovial, comical for us to laugh and relax and enjoy the fooling he does on us. He is fooling us, but he makes us enjoy that stupidity, mandugam, foolishness of this whole event. And so he is called Kallalagar, one who intoxicates us in this cosmic magic show. Another is the Kallan, meaning the thief. He steals the show. He steals he steals the mind of ours, or we can say he steals the awareness. He and Devi makes everybody in an illusionary state, like a magician who creates an illusion with all the things around him. That illusionary state, he is the one who steals us from knowing the reality, so he is called the Kallan. He also steals the mind of us, the ignorant mind, and that is why he is called Kal Alagar. Andal has the parrot, green parrot. Parrot always represents to repeat. We all repeat things, events, concepts, ideas, emotions. We are like a parrot, but she makes this parrot as a messenger to express her love to merge with the Lord Vishnu. The same is our nature, Jivatma, has to use this mind, which is green, meaning that can convey the message in the life form, in the living state to God. And that's the beauty of this. And this whole life is conveying messages to the higher. We have this inner dialogue within us, and that inner dialogue is this green parrot, Pachaikili. We constantly are getting connected to that higher state, and it has to be constantly be nurtured, and that's why she feeds the parrot. We have to do that in this journey of enlightenment.